So let's chat it up while we pack a couple orders really quick. So, as far as the DEI controversy and all that is happening right now, when I was younger, I used to want to see my jewelry in bigger retailers because for me, that meant that if I was in a big retailer, I was going to be making all of this money and I was going to be rich, right? Which very well may have been true if I would have gotten into a big retailer. But over the years, I learned that the goal wasn't to create a business that I was just trying to get rich from, because I am a person who cannot stand to work for people. My body rejects it. It doesn't matter what kind of job it is. I cannot stand to be a worker. No shade, no tea from everyone else that likes to work. That's definitely who you are. But me, I am a creative professional. So I don't like to work for people. And over the years, I've noticed that if I can earn a certain amount of income, I can have the life that I've always wanted without working for someone and without trying to create a air quote $1 million business, because I can have a 6-figure business and be doing very well. And I don't know if y'all know this, but the difference between a 6-figure business and a $1 million business is $1. You know how I know? 999,999 is 6 figures. And if you add $1 to that, it's a $1 million business. So my goals have changed. I'm fine with creating a 6-figure business. I don't want to share what my dollar amount goals are, but I wish I would have known years ago that if I were to shoot for the stars when it comes to my business, as opposed to trying to create a $1 million business, create a $300,000 business, create a $200,000 a year business. I wish I would have shot for that instead of trying to get rich, because sustainable wealth is the goal at this point. A sustainable business is my goal at this point. And I think when it comes to big retailers like Target and Walmart and all the rest of them that did the rollbacks, it sucks, but it just goes to show you that if you don't own your own products, your own brand, your own business, these retailers can do whatever they want to do with your name on it, and there's nothing that you can do besides sit there and take it. So I think it's really important now to start, for us small business owners, to start supporting each other in any kind of way that we can. That means reposting, that means shopping with each other, maybe bartering services, because it's a new day coming. And we shouldn't have to depend on big retailers to make money. We shouldn't have to do that. And I think now is the time to actually stop doing that. For those businesses that are still in those stores, I hope that they're able to, get what they need as far as their sales, like maybe get a different type of contract or maybe pull their stuff off the shelves altogether. But I just know that if people bought those products because a particular person's name was on that product, they'll buy your products from your own website. Buy your product.